Welcome to Carnival Celebration Room 210 on deck level 14. So it's 14210. This is the front of the ship. This is one of the suites. Give you a little tour. So we can even open up the door. All right. So you walk in. This is the first thing you'll see. Your living room. Come up. The first thing we notice right off the bat, it has a sink right off the bat, right in the living room. It's something unusual, but you know what? We didn't mind it. We'll take it. You got your complimentary water, depending on what your card is. We are platinum, so we are enjoying that. Comes with binoculars. Comes with a TV, of course, in the front with your mirror. Your cooler, or the mini fridge. I don't know why I said cooler. Some cupboards, some drawers, some chairs, mini coffee table, little couch. And then over here in the corner, there is some closets. I'll open them up so you can see. Lights up, little drawers. You know, some people actually want to know if they have space for their stuff. All right. Heading back to the front. There's a bathroom is here. The back room is here. And also the door out to the deck is there as well. I'll go to the bathroom first. A unique little bathroom from what we've experienced in the past, but it's pretty cool. It's smaller, but it has everything you need. It's a toilet, a really nice shower. This is probably my favorite part about the bathroom. The little sprays are pretty cool. You got your sink. You know, it has little shelves on the side. I wish they were on both, but you know, I'll take it. Some shelving down below, like normal. Towels are on the back. There's a little door and goes to the master bedroom. You come in, you do have a little nightstand with your switches here. There's a power outlet there. It does have a USB port underneath the switch. Actually, I think it's a light. Yeah, look at that, a little light. Pretty cool. Got some light switches here. Accidentally hit those in the middle of the night. The wife loves that. And the little nightstand. And we'll swing over to, there's a mirror here when you first walk in to your right. You got the TV and it does swivel. It can come out quite a bit, which is pretty nice. And you have some more closets. Little sliding door. You have this is your first closet here. Also has a little drop down here. I didn't even notice that. There we go. There we go. And so if you don't want to hang your stuff, you have an extra shelf. That's pretty cool. Shelving on the bottom. Same thing here. So there's some good space for your clothes. And then I call this a little hidden closet where your safe is. Some more drawers in the bottom and above it. Can hang maybe like your shorts or your folded up pants and be about it. And then in the room it has the door that leads out to the deck. First thing you notice too, the deck isn't super wide, but it's super long. So if you head, actually I'm gonna head the other way first. This is in Miami as well. One of the ships are leaving. Downtown Miami, it's pretty nice. A little tight space, but it does have, you know, all the room for all the lounging you need. chairs, one lounger. I wish there was two, but I get why there isn't. And here's your view from the front of the ship. Beautiful day here in Miami. It's around 80 degrees today. I think that's Celebrity, I could be wrong. Then in front of that is Horizon. And then down there, I believe it's Icon. I could be wrong. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's Icon. And then you come to the other side of your deck. Table, some chairs, and some more chairs as well. This is your view out the front. This area down here is where the employees are going to hang out, take their own little private bar tables where they can eat and hang out for the day. They deserve it. They work really hard. Hardest working people in the world, I swear. This is the front of the ship, obviously. We've never experienced the front yet, so we're wondering how windy is it going to be. We'll get to experience that once we take off, but this is the room. You guys have a wonderful day, and check back for some more. Thank you.